guys doing? I'm here with my dad.
Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. Yeah, we just got this Rover light in, the M12 Rover light that we saw on the Milwaukee pipeline. As soon as I saw it, I knew I had to have it. I was really excited about it. So we pre-ordered it and finally released this week and just came in the mail. So yeah, the M12 Rover light has how many settings does it have on it?
It has 2 settings.
2 settings. And what are they?
High and low.
High and low? Alright, so if we put on the high setting, how many lumens?
It runs at 700 lumens and runs for 8 hours, which
that's a long time.
Yeah.
That's with a 4 amp hour battery. So these specs are for the 4.0, 8 hours on high. That's a full shift.
But if you run the low mode, hypothetically, you should run 24 hours on 250 lumens. That's what it's telling you.
Yeah, it says 24 hours on low settings. So we could turn that on right now.
Oh,
Come
right,
back
we don't have a battery.
23 hours and 59 minutes and it would still be going. Here, let's put
this 9 amp Chinese 12 volt red lithium ion in it.
Alright, if 4 amp hour is good, 9 amp hours got to be better, right?
Hey, first of all, don't knock it until you try it.
That's right. Don't knock the Chinese, the Whately 9 amp hour battery on the M12.
Oh my god.
Woo. That is bright.
True facts.
So, but it's 700 lumens. That's enough light to illuminate the work area that we're working in. So yeah, like I said, don't knock these Chinese batteries until you tried it. I love running them in my radios and in my lights and stuff. You know, everyone warns against them, and blah, blah, blah. I've had a lot of good luck with them. So, what else is cool about this?
It's impact resistant, magnetic, and
that's right.
It is water resistant.
Yeah, so it's what is it rated at? Oh, IP54, water and dust resistant. Impact resistant. I've read that it's impact resistant from it'll survive a 9-foot fall, which I don't know. It feels really good. It feels really solid. There's a little bit of rubber overmolding in the back, no overmolding on the light itself. So if this was to drop from 9 feet and landed on that LED light, I think it's going to come apart.
He's got a point.
Yeah, I don't know. But you also mentioned the magnetic part.
Yeah, so as we have here, we have a little test subject.
That's a heavy piece of steel.
See, it's pretty heavy. I mean, look at that. It's been cut through and everything.
It's not going to pick that up, though.
Probably not, but you know what? I thought it would be a good idea to try it out, you know.
Well,
so we're just going to give it a little try out. And shouldn't we try something a little bit lower first?
No, go ahead and try that. That's a 1/4-inch tube.
Yeah, look at that, dude. It doesn't even feel like it's going to. I mean, look how weak this I stand corrected.
Wow. That's pretty impressive.
I mean, look at this thing. I'm holding it by the light. So that just proves of how strong this thing is.
Yeah, that's a heavy piece of tube, guy. Good Lord. Yeah, that's a piece of 1/4-inch tube. And it picks it up. So finally, Milwaukee put a good, solid magnet on their lights. There's no other light out there like it. And that's why I was so excited about it. There's no other Milwaukee light out there like it that's got a strong magnet. I mean, of course, you know, we've got the lanterns. You know, we've all had these. They're good for camping or whatever, on tailgating on the back of the truck.
You have a marker.
That was the little, the Rover, you know, the red USB, red lithium USB light.
I mean, look at this, dude. How much you want to bet that it's probably not going to pick this up at all? I mean, look at that.
Yeah, the thing, this light, it would barely hold itself because they put the magnet on the end. So when I was working inside of a tractor, I'd always try to stick it up. You bump it, you know, you barely bump that with your hand. It's falling off. It drove me damn crazy.
Then look at this. If you bump it.
Right. That takes some knocking around. Don't bring my light. Okay, so magnetic, 110 degrees swivel. So then, let's say we put this on a column inside of our work area. Now we can rotate the light in the direction that we want. And see, I like that soft start that the light does there.
You know, I think if they went to 3rd grade, they would have known what a swivel is. I'm just telling you that now.
That they would know it was 110. Yeah.
Well, not 110, but I think they would know what a swivel is.
Yeah, maybe. Okay.
But just in case, we got to tell you all the features.
Right. So that is really cool. So yeah, if we put that like on a column, let's say we're working in the basement of a building, I mean that sticks really good. And remember, with a 4 amp hour battery, that'll run 8 hours. That's a full shift. You can work down there all night, you know, and still have this thing working on a 4 amp hour battery. So 9 amp hour battery should last much longer than that. So what else is cool about this? Oh, yeah, it's got a
USB charger. So look at this. So yeah, like see, doesn't look like there's anything right there, right? Look at that. It's basically exactly hidden. Just turn it around. It'll still swivel the same. So right here we have a Type C charger, was it?
No, that it actually, unfortunately, it is not Type C. It's Type A, which is the regular USB. You know, we're kind of hoping that Milwaukee does upgrade to Type C on those because they can handle more amperage. So we're kind of used to, you know, 2.1 amps coming from these Type A type chargers. Same with their other lights. They're also, you know, power supplies on these, and they're also 2.1 amp. So that is cool. So it's a power supply. So if we were working in that same building, we could hook our phone up to it and charge our phone if it was dead, or we charge our other little flashlights, or whatever you need to charge with a USB port. So yeah, now unlike the top off, this is new too. This was just released, and it's funny that the top off has 3 ports, but they put in a USB Type C that's capable of over 3 amps of charging power, and then they've also got a Type A, which is a 2 amp. So that is really cool. And does the light work while it's charging?
I don't know. We should just try it out real quick.
Yeah, I'm almost positive it does.
Yeah, because what kind of light would that be if it didn't like charge well or working?
Yeah, let's see if it'll charge the phone.
Gotta turn it on, and
nothing.
I don't think I turned it on. Hold on.
Okay.
Let's see if it's charging. Oh, yeah, it's charging.
Okay, all right. Yeah, the phone's
so now
charging.
we gotta. Oh, and surprise,
still
surprise.
Charging. Yeah, so you know you can charge and use the light at the same time. So yeah, that's really cool. So yeah, we went over its pivoting, it's magnetic. Went over runtime. Yeah, man, really cool light. Very excited about this. Should we go outside and try it?
Well, honestly, it is pretty cold, but let's do it anyways.
Yeah, let's go outside and try it. All right, so here we are at the tractor, and like, let's say our door swings open to the side. Snap that on, and we can rotate it to the position that we need it. That is cool. Even with that big 9 amp hour battery, I mean, that thing just locks on. So the weight of the battery is not going to be a huge issue. But yeah, it kind of lights up the whole area. And let's say we had a panel that was overhead, you know, we can even put the light overhead and pivot it. So yeah, I mean, lights up the whole compartment there, which is, that is bright. So that's on high, that's a 700 lumen, and then there's low. Now, that's enough light to kind of see what you're doing, but I think for the runtime you get, I would just run it on high all the time. Lock it on the door, turn it the direction you need. Yeah, that is really cool. Really excited about this light, guys. And another thing on that light is the price point. I mean, it's like, it's less than $70. It depends on where you find it and how you buy it.
It's around like 63, 65.
I think that's, yeah, that's what we paid, but I think with the holiday sales we might be able to get it a little cheaper. But
yeah, like I'd say around like if it's like 20% off. We can
so
get
the
like,
price point is right. You get that awesome light and a power supply that swivels. Y'all, this is by far the best light that Milwaukee has come out with. So yeah, pick you one up if you can find it. It looks like people's having a hard time right now getting this light, but yeah, if you can find it, definitely buy it. Hell, I might even get another one. I like this so much because I know I'm going to leave it stuck in the machine. I'm going to lose it. But anyways, thanks for watching, guys.